Hello everyone, hi, it's lvluxegirl. I'm back again with another video. Good morning. How are you guys feeling this morning? I'm ready, I'm supercharged, ready to go this morning, and I wanted to do an Ugg unboxing of my latest pair of Ugg sandals for the summer. So if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead, hit that thumbs up button right now. Go ahead, hit the like as well as hit the subscribe button, and what are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified anytime when I upload. So yeah, you guys, let's go ahead, let's get started. I'm excited about this unboxing. Let's go ahead, let's jump right in. So I wanted to unbox my lovely pair of Ugg sandals. I recently purchased this from Nordstrom Rack. If you watch my channel, you might know, basically I'm addicted to TJ Maxx and Nordstrom Rack. Like all of us are, right? Anytime I go in there, I find myself making purchases and doing different things. So I went in there and this particular pair of Uggs caught my eye. I was really in there looking for Toms and for Birkenstock, and they did have some Toms and some lovely Birkenstock. However, I decided to hold off for a minute because I couldn't find a pair of Toms that I was really happy with at this particular time in the store. But inventory is always coming in, and I'm sure that pretty soon I will be able to find a couple of pair of Toms that I'm happy with so that I can go ahead and purchase them. And the Birkenstock, I love the Birkenstock, but I have to be very careful with the Birkenstock because just keeping it real and keeping it honest, the Birkenstock for me, sometimes I find them a little bit uncomfortable. So even though I love the aesthetic of them and I love that brand, and I'm going to purchase them again, I don't care how much they hurt my feet, how bad they hurt my dogs, I'm going to go ahead and still purchase me a pair of Birkenstocks before the summer is over. But I still didn't find the pair that was right for me. And this particular pair of sandals caught my eye, and they were affordable, and not only to mention being affordable, they were so comfortable when I tried them on. So they are a pair of Ugg sandals, and let me go ahead and pull them out so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. And first of all, I have my receipt right here from Nordstrom Rack. I'm gonna go ahead and move that out the way, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take the box out of the Nordstrom Rack bag. So let me go ahead and take the box out, the bag. Okay, so I took the box out, and here they are right here. This is what they look like. And I don't know, this is what they look like in the box, you guys. And I don't know if you guys, Nordstrom Rack does this, but my Nordstrom Rack takes, if it's a lid, they remove the lid off the top of the box and put all the shoes out on the row on the shelves. Or if it's a flap to the box, they tear the flap off. They rip the top of the lid off the box. I think they do it so that customers can just walk down the row on the shelves and see all the shoes better. But I really hate that they do that because I like to save my boxes to store my shoes, over the winter and over the summer months. I switch them in and out my closet from season to season, and I like to have my boxes with the lid. So I didn't get a lid for this box, which I was actually kind of upset about, because normally I make sure I get a lid with my box. But I was in such a hurry the day when I purchased these, and I was so in love with them that it didn't make a difference. I just went ahead and purchased them anyway. So let me go ahead and take them out the box. So they come with a little card, and here's the little card right here that tells you all about them. They come with a little care card, and it tells you all about Ugg, tells you all about them. And it came with that little card, and this is them right here, you guys. So these are my new Uggs, and I know they're like really, and I haven't worn these yet, so it's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and set them down right here because I haven't worn them at all, other than in the carpet on the store, at the store on the carpet when I tried them on. So this is what they look like, and they're basically just a pair of Ugg flip-flops. And off the top of my head, I can't recall the exact name of these. If I could find what the name of these is called, I'll go ahead and put it in the drop-down bar below. But I just thought these were so cute. And they look kind of hefty, but they're very lightweight. They're very lightweight, as well as they're very comfortable. And the part about them that's comfortable is this inner lining right here. The inner lining is so smooth and so soft and so comfortable when you press down on it when you're walking. Your insole is so comfortable that, you know, it's not hard or anything. And I got these at half off. They were 50% off. So I got them at a great deal, and this is what the bottom of them looks like. Another thing that makes them so comfortable is this type of closure. When you push your foot in it, it has the Velcro. So you can go ahead and make this open, you know, you can go ahead and make that larger or smaller to fit your shoe size, so that, you know, it'll be more comfortable over the top of your foot, you know, over the arch of your foot. So I absolutely love this pair. I was so happy, you guys, that I was able to locate this pair. And this is what they look like, and they're so cute. They look big, they look huge as I don't know what on camera, but they're so comfortable. And I'm somebody that, you know, my regular Ugg boots, I wear my Uggs in the summer times, you know, the boots sometimes, and I know that might sound crazy, but sometimes I'll wear on a cool night, you know, if I'm running out or going downtown to the lakefront, I'll put on a pair of shorts, a tank, and like a little cover up like this, and wear my Ugg boots, you know, downtown, you know, when I go downtown or whatever, you know, just for a night out, or just if I'm running out to get ice cream or something, I'll throw my Uggs on in a minute. So now this particular pair, of course, I'll only be able to wear them in the summertime because they are like flip-flops or sandals, and I won't be able to put these on in the winter. But normally I wear my Uggs all year round, and they also say Ugg right in the back right there. You can see where they say Ugg right along the heel. But this is really a nice pair. And at first I thought for a minute, are they gonna be a little bit too bold, a little bit too, you know, in your face? But then, I mean, I just think that, you know, Ugg is Ugg. You're gonna see that mark, you're gonna know it. And the red, because I love, you know, so much red in my collection with handbags and different things, these are going to match a lot of my handbags. I'll be able to wear them with my brown handbags as well as my red handbags, or I can wear them with, you know, the natural color Dooney and Burke bags, you know, so they will match a lot in my collection. So yeah, you guys, I just wanted to go ahead and share this pair of Uggs with you guys and do this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, as well as check out my playlist. I have another playlist. I have a shoe playlist on Timberland boots, as well as I have my boot collection up for 2021 with Timberlands and Fry boots and Ugg boots and all different types of boots. So make sure you go ahead and check out my playlist and check out my shoe collection. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and I'll see you again soon in another video.